Yellow Jacket products are designed for a lifetime of rugged, reliable performance. The complete line of Yellow Jacket products includes heavy-duty cords, power strips, adapters, and GFCIs. Yellow Jacket's heavy-duty cords are always high-visibility yellow and are made with a special compound to help them keep their flexibility, all while standing up to heavy-duty applications and rugged environments. Yellow Jacket cords also hold up better and stay more flexible in cold environments compared to standard extension cords. These cords include power light power indicators that let you know when power is on. Yellow Jacket power strips and power blocks are set apart from others with superior quality and features with metal housings for more industrial environments and applications. These power strips are perfect for the garage, workshop, or job site. The special materials and metal housings will keep them in top shape regardless of the wear and tear they are put through. These products are UL listed. Yellow Jacket ground fault circuit interrupters include test and reset buttons. Among the most reliable GFCIs in the market, ours feature safe start protection from unwanted tool restarts. These GFCIs come in 15 to 20 amps and are rugged and heavy duty. Yellow Jacket products are built to outlast tough environments. Yellow Jacket products, dependable and reliable when you need it most.